Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Nene'S. I'm your girl Nene, and today, you guys, I will be doing the Nene'S 2-time spicy chicken Wang challenge. So, for those of you who are my ride or dies, my day ones, you guys already know what the Nene'S 2-time chicken Wang challenge is. Actually, some of you even did the challenge, which was super duper fun. So I appreciate you guys for doing that. But since then, we've gained 1,200 new family members who may not know what this challenge is. And I did notice that it is challenge season. There's a whole bunch of challenges floating around in these YouTube streets. So I figured that I would go ahead and pull mine out and open it up to anybody who would like to do it. So I am going to tell you guys the rules real quick, and then I'm going to go in and do the challenge myself. So I have 10 2-time spicy chicken wings. So that is chicken wings fried with, you guys know what this is. Woo! 2 packs of the sauces. I threw away some, no worries, whatever. If you guys want to see me actually putting the sauce on the chicken and how I made it and everything like that, please go to Nene'S, my Instagram page, and go to my Insta story and check it out. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. All the background, underground, behind the scenes stuff happens on Instagram in my Insta story, you guys. So yeah. I put 2 packs of the 2-time sauce on the chicken, and then for the noodles I put 1 pack, and then I wanted to liven up my noodles a little bit, so this time I added some, can you see it? There we go, some chicken flavor. You guys know where this pack came from. It came from the regular noodle pack that we usually eat. So again, it's 10 chicken wings, 2 packs of the 2-time spicy sauce, and then a pack of the noodles with 1 pack of the 2-time spicy sauce. I can feel, woo, oh gosh, this is going to be hot, but I'm excited and I'm ready for it. So, of course, you guys know I had to bring out my trusty old Coldest Water bottle for this one. And I have nothing in here but some ice water. And then, just as a prize for myself, I got my good old Coca-Cola at the end. Okay? No time limit, just finish it. Okay, I guess it's time to go and do this. So, let me say my grace. Father God, I'd like to thank you and praise you for this meal. I ask you, I sanctify it through your word and prayer, and I cast out anything harmful to me. In Christ Jesus' name I pray. Amen. I need to pray over my stomach, my throat, but let's stop playing. Let's get into this. No, baby, I'm just starting. Are you marked? Actually, I think I'm going to start with the wing. Look at these wings, you guys. I'm drooling. Okay, so here we go. Now I'm gonna tell you guys. And you people who have already done this challenge can vouch for me down in the comment section. The sauce on the wings, yeah. Dreading this part. This is the part I'm dreading. Oops. Here we go. You forget how spicy they are. It's like you know they're spicy, but you forget. Let's go look at him. JoJo's on the couch, you guys. Falling asleep and he's going. Come on. Enoch just woke up from his nap. One, 3. I'm blowing on the noodles like that's gonna help. These noodles are no joke. So, again, if anybody wants to do this challenge, please do. It's an open challenge. I'm not going to tag anybody. But I do encourage you to do it. It's fun. And if you do decide to do it, please tag your video Nene'S Eats 2x Spicy Chicken Wing Challenge. Tag me in your description box and title your video Nene'S Eats 2x Spicy Chicken Wing Challenge, and I will put your video in the playlist. As a matter of fact, what I will do, okay, it made its way down to my stomach. My stomach's burning now. I will put a link to the playlist down in this video. That way you guys can see all the other people who did this video challenge. Some people did it. Some people tried it and failed. Some people did really good but couldn't finish. There's even a cute little 11-year-old little girl who did it. So check out that playlist, you guys. And again, if you do it, title your video Nene'S Eats 2x Spicy Chicken Wing Challenge and tag me in your comment section. These things are hot. Uh-oh. The nose is starting to run. Did you guys see the challenge video I did yesterday? The LLIPS Lips Popsicle Challenge? That was fun. There's a couple more challenges out there that I want to get out. I want to do the Yummy Bites TV, the you can't say or try not to say challenge. My mouth is drooling. She has another challenge that I want to do. Oh, the Don't Wipe Your Mouth challenge. No, 2, 3, 4. 4. Five. Oh, excuse me. So hot.
Yay.
6. Oh. Ina, calm down. You're being too hyper. My bangs are all over the place. Sorry. Ina, where's Nisa? Okay, so why are you asking me that? Oh, done. So what was that? 6? Shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven. 8. Oh, that looks good though. Look at that. That looks so yummy. What's going on with these things today? Nine.
No.
Last one. I can do it. My stomach's burning. Ooh. 10. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. This is good. So yummy. I can eat these all day. All day. It's those wings. I mean those wings, those noodles. Those noodles, no joke. Lucky number 13. My stomach is burning. My stomach is burning.
You did?
I did.
You did. Hot. Oh, you did put the water into the...
Oh.
Keto. Keto.
Excuse me.
Mama, yes. Down it.
Okay, you guys. I did it. And I ate 13. So, I guess we could say we could ante up. What did they say? Ante up the antes? What did they say? Ante up. Anyway, for those of you who have already done the challenge and want to do the challenge again, I did 13 wings just now. So again, I'm gonna leave this open to anybody who wants to do it. If you want to do the challenge yourself, please title the video Nene'S Eats 2 times Spicy Chicken Wang Challenge and tag me in your description box. For any of you who are new to the family and would like to see the original challenge video and the other challengers who did this challenge videos, I will leave that link in the description box so you guys can go watch theirs. So y'all, I'm telling you, some people are hilarious, like can't take the heat. Some people can take the heat and finish and everything like that. So it's fun. It's a must watch for real, for real. Coca-Cola. Okay, you guys, so I am going to end the video right here. I appreciate each and every one of you guys who clicked on this video. Give this challenge a try, you guys. I don't think that's helping. Okay. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to Nene'S Eats and would like to, please subscribe some more. Leave a comment down below, you guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this challenge, if you want to do this challenge, if you want to do it again. It's no joke. And if you guys if you don't want to do the challenge but you like spicy wings, try putting the 2 times spicy sauce on your chicken wings. I'm telling you, it's so scrumptious, so delicious. I love it. Oh, excuse me. Okay, you guys, so everyone have a good day. Don't drink and drive, and smile. See you later.
See you later. Bye.
Ina says bye.